We have the ability to apply different types of settings to Assistant Pro libraries. One type of setting is our Theme Customizer settings. We can also add admin settings to Assistant Pro libraries. Global Settings, Global Styles, and Global Colors are all part of the Beaver Builder Page Builder interface, and we use these settings to add custom code to our site and to set baseline styles like brand colors and typographical styles. In this demo, I'm running the full version of Assistant, which you can get for free by downloading the Assistant plugin. But I'll go ahead and deactivate the Assistant plugins because the Beaver Builder Cloud, which is a feature built into Beaver Builder powered by Assistant Pro, is accessible right here from this cloud icon in the Beaver Builder interface. But this demo will work out just fine whether you're using the full version of Assistant Pro or the Beaver Builder Cloud powered by Assistant Pro. So let's go ahead and create an Assistant Pro library from the site here. And I'm going to demo how to utilize that library over here on this destination site. So we're going to navigate to the Libraries app and create a new library. I'm going to add all of the pages. And I'm also going to add my themer layouts because I'm using a themer layout for both my header and my footer. Now we're going to head over here to the Settings tab, and I'm going to import both my Customizer settings and all of my Beaver Builder settings. Okay, I think we're ready to head over here to the destination site, and you can see here is my Ranger Beaver library. So I'm just going to head up here to the gear icon. And I'm going to import all items. So now we have all of our Customizer settings here that we just imported from the library. All of our admin settings have been imported. On the origin site that I used to create the library, I have limited the modules that display in Beaver Builder. So that's true now in my destination site as well. We can only see the modules that are selected in our admin settings here. Now let's take a look at what global styles and global settings we've imported. Global settings is mostly custom code, which I don't have any of, so I'm just going to skip straight ahead to global styles. And the global colors is also going to be inside of the global styles panel. The elements tab of our global styles panel is where we can set the baseline styles for our site's typography. And over here in the colors tab is where we set up our brand colors. These box modules down here were stylized with global colors. And these are style settings that we imported with our library. So when I want to go select a color for something on my page, if I go down to presets, I can see all those global colors that have been imported. So that sums up how we add settings to Assistant Pro libraries from an origin site, and go ahead to use those settings on our destination sites.